that she always does that.
I know.
Even when we're like, honestly, guys, when we're backstage and we're just chilling, talking or whatever, she's like, or
even in real life, in the car, bro, I'm trying to talk.
She does it live, but she only does it when there's other people around. Like when we're all together, she didn't do it. As soon as there was a stranger involved, bam.
I bet you when she's by herself, she's like, and that's it. Like that's all you hear. It's only when she's around other people.
Dude, she coughs into the mic too. She's a girl.
Well, Assassin, how you doing?
I'm gonna fucking glass you in a moment.
Knock her out. Put her in the bin. Get the wheelie bin.
I'm gonna fucking glass this woman.
Wait, Masa, tell the story about how I got pulled on the
Oh
seatbelt.
my god.
How what?
The seatbelt pulls me when we're taking you to the airport. And I was like, oh,
Oh,
You wearing
yeah.
my jacket?
yeah,
Hang on.
got cold.
You're going to have to tell her.
Lethal has women's clothes.
He can't remember.
No, I'm
He was
dog
too
shit,
hungover.
bro.
You don't remember when Lethal had to slam on the brakes for the
Oh, yeah, no,
train?
Lethal. So there was a train, and it came, and Lethal had to slam the fucking brake. I went forward as fuck too, right? And Blabs, I thought Blabs was gonna go out the fucking windscreen, and she made this weird fucking sound, like, like she had gone out the fucking...
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like, ah! And she did the action of like she was going through the front windscreen or
Yeah, her
something.
little
Like
arms
she's
were,
digging
like,
a hole
flopping
like a
and
dog.
everything.
Ah!
And
All Rhino did was go, whoa. Whereas Blabs was like,